So today we're here at Jabulani Safe Hub in Soweto for the Gogos with Vuma project, and we are graduating 8 Gogos here. They are part of our second group with Vuma. We've had 11 in Cape Town and 8 here, so a total of 19. Yeah. My name is Bradley Chalke. I'm from Johannesburg, and I started working with goGOGOgo last year. I approached Jane because I knew her from somewhere else, and I was like, I need to do something extra instead of just school all day, every day. And so she was like, hey, there's this project that I want to start in Alex with Gogos, just teaching them how to use the tablets and the internet and just getting comfortable with that.
So my name is Jane Simmons. I'm the founder and executive director of goGOGOgo. I started goGOGOgo 3 years ago as an NGO aimed at supporting and building capacity and skills development in grandmothers, which we all know are called Gogos. More than 4 million children in South Africa are being raised by their grandmothers. And we feel that it was very important to look at the value and the importance of grandmothers in raising children. So working with Gogos as the primary caregivers in many, many instances meant that we could take children's safety, development, growth and health into the communities to be supported by grandmothers.
Kamera ngududuzile Ngomezulu, ngihlala 1371 eDlamini 1 in Soweto. Endlini si-6, ngihlala abantwana abayi-6. Ngithola imali kahulumeni, ngiyobe engenza ngayo izinto endlini. Isibonelo from esikolweni LLD bafona kusho ukuthi umzukulu washo ukuthi ugogo khona. Okay, nangempela ngaya esikolweni ngafika nganikezela ngama-ID wami bangibuza ukuthi uyajabula ukuthi yilapho ngathi ngiyajabula ngoba ngizothola ulwazi ebengingalazi. Ize uvuma na 2 months, 2 weeks. Sifundile, ngingakwazi uWhatsApp, ngingakwazi ukwenza i-email ne-photoshoot belenzi. Nokubhala ngikwazi. So bathi namhlanje ngikwazi.
Igama lami ngithobekile Hlongwane, ngihlala eDlamini 1 eSoweto. Nginabantwana abayi-3 nabazukulu abayi-5. Ni first day bafike basiqala basifundisa ukuvula ifoni, ukuthi ifoni mawuvula kuphi, mawuswitcha on, upressa kuphi nakuphi, yazi. Lezi zinto lezi besizenza kodwa esikhathini esiningi sicela abazukulu lethu besifundisa abangasipheleli inhliziyo noma unga-understandi kahle bebakutshela bathi hayi bakufundisa kahle step by step.
iGogo, which is a project aimed at training Gogos on how to use the internet. So we decided to approach the Gogos and teach the Gogos the value and the importance and the safety and the benefits that the internet could bring to their lives and then to their grandchildren's lives, working with schools, working with partners like Vuma. I would like to ask corporates, foundations, funders, and there's so many private individuals in South Africa who've been raised by their Gogos. Think about what your Gogos have done for yourself, for your staff, for your employees, for your colleagues, and join us in building goGOGOgo. We want to get these Gogos going. We've shown that they want to learn. They come to internet training. They want to improve the outcomes of their children and their grandchildren in particular. Let's support them. Let's build a place where these Gogos can go forward.
Yo, siyabonga kakhulu kwivuma negoGOGO. Sengathi lokho abakwenzile kuthi goGOGO bangaqhubeka njalo bakwenze nakwabanye. Siyabonga kakhulu bantwana bami. We are ready to go. On your